How to get a YouTube TV free trial with Amazon Prime. Step number 1, understand the relationship between YouTube TV and Amazon Prime. YouTube TV and Amazon Prime are separate services and do not currently offer any bundled or shared free trial. You can use Amazon devices like Fire TV to access YouTube TV, but each service requires its own subscription. Step number 2, install the YouTube TV app on Amazon Fire TV. Turn on your Amazon Fire device. Navigate to the Amazon App Store. Search for YouTube TV in the app search bar. Download and install the YouTube TV app. Step number 3, sign up for YouTube TV free trial. Open the YouTube TV app on your Fire TV device. Select the option to start free trial. Create a new account or sign in with your Google account. Enter your payment information to begin the free trial. You won't be charged until the trial period ends. Step number 4, access YouTube TV content. Once signed up, browse live TV channels, sports, and on-demand content available through YouTube TV. Use features like unlimited DVR storage to record your favorite shows. Step number 5, manage your free trial. Keep track of your free trial period to avoid being charged. If you decide not to continue, cancel the subscription before the trial ends through your YouTube TV account settings.